Hello everyone, my name is Chelsea and I'm a Children's Services Assistant at Clearview Library District. Thank you so much for joining me again this month. This is your family cooking challenge for March. So we've been doing a lot of sweet stuff, brownies, cookies, pudding pies, etc. So I thought that I'd switch it up a little bit this month and we would do some savory, okay? So if you've picked up your kit, it includes, and this is just the beginning of whatever you want to add to it. So it just has the basic ingredients to get you started. Okay, so the ingredients in the kit is a thing of pasta, elbow macaroni, and a thing of sauce. So use your imagination, get creative, use a traditional family recipe that you use, or do something completely different. You don't even have to use the pasta sauce if you don't want to. It was just kind of like I said, the basic ingredients to get your challenge started. So the challenge is to add something new, different, cool, fun, but still edible. Snap a picture of it, send it to me. You guys know how this works. Congratulations to all of our winners of the past. You guys are doing awesome things, going above and beyond with your decorations and things like that. So for this one, we're just gonna mix it up, do something a little different. We have some different ones coming up in the coming months, so that should be fun as well. So yes, just get in the kitchen together as a family, make a recipe, snap pictures of it, send it to me. You'll have 2 weeks from the date. So today's the 5th, you'll have till the 19th. So you'll have 2 more Fridays. And just have fun with it. Send me pictures, we will pick a winner, and then you guys will get an awesome prize of some cool kitchen cooking recipe book things, okay? All right, so that's your challenge for this month, which is pasta dishes. Use your imaginations, get creative, have fun, send me a picture of it, and we look forward to seeing your creations, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.